Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to do course book unit number 5, the picnic. Students, today we are going to do page number 52 and it's about quantifiers. We are going to learn about some quantifiers. You know what? What are the quantifiers? Quantifier are the words that give us an idea of amount or quantity of something. Like the words some, many, and a few give us an idea of amount or quantity of something. These words are called quantifiers. Today we are going to learn about three quantifiers that are some, many, a few. Some, a little. We use some for a little and it is used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable means that are not countable, like milk, juice, or any other liquid. Second one is many. Many means a lot of. We use it with plural countable nouns. Countable nouns like flowers and people, etc. Third one is a few. A few means not many but enough. We use it with plural countable nouns that are countable, like few pieces of apple, few slices of bread, few anything like that. We use some with uncountable nouns, any liquid like milk, juice. So in example, we are going to learn the first example. Here it is. Can I have some orange juice? It's a orange juice. So it's a liquid. We can use some with uncountable noun. Let's move to our next example. There are many apples in the bowl. We can count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can count it. These are plural countable nouns. There are a lot of apples in the bowl, so we use many. Many with the plural countable nouns. We use them with like flowers, people, students. There are many students in the class. There are many people in a queue. There are many flowers in the garden. Now move to our next example. He put a few slices of bread on the plate. Here are few slices. Not many but enough. A few used for not many but enough with plural countable nouns like slices of bread or slices of apple, etc. I hope now you are familiar with the quantifiers. So we have to fill in the blanks with some, many, or a few. Number 1. Please cut dash pieces for me. Pieces are not enough. Not many but enough. So what we use here? Please cut a few pieces for me. Number 2. There are dash stars in the sky. A lot of stars. So what we use for a lot of? Many. There are many stars in the sky. Number 3. There are dash people waiting in a line. There are many people. Number 4. The plants need dash water. We can count the water? No. So what we use here? Some water. Some water. Plants need some water. Students, now we are going to practice it on your workbook. Open your workbook, page number 24. We use the words some, many, and few to talk about the quantity or amount of something. So, fill in the blanks with some, many, or few. Number 1. Would you like dash soup? We cannot count the amount of the soup, so we use some. Would you like some soup? Number 2. It's about flowers. There are dash flowers in the garden. A lot of flowers, so we use many for a lot of things. Number 3. There are a few or some pages missing from this book. Pages are missing from the book. If the pages are countable, then we use a few. But if the pages are not countable, we can also use some. So we are using both, a few or some. Both are right. Number 4, Danny is asking for some pocket money. Pocket money is not countable. It can vary. It can be 100, 200, 500, 1000 or more. So the amount is not countable. We use some. Danny is asking for some pocket money. Number 5, there are dash newspapers at library. There are many newspapers. There are many newspapers at library. Number 6, Karachi has dash beautiful beaches. Karachi has many beautiful beaches because it has more than one beach. Number 7, there are dash cups that are still dirty. How many cups are there? 2 cups. So these are the countable cups. We will use a few. Not many, but enough. There are a few cups that are still dirty. Number 8, I found dash shells on the beach. How many shells she found on the beach? The shells are uncountable. Like, I am not able to count these shells, so I will use some. I found some shells on the beach. So we have done 2 pages, one from the course book and the other from the workbook. Page number 24 of your workbook and page number 52 of your course book. You have to practice both pages. Stay safe, stay home, take care.